Welcome to Alteryx Gen AI Tools. In this video, we'll explore the Schema Fit tool, a simple, flexible way to transform one dataset to match the structure of another using AI. Let's say you receive sales data from multiple regions or systems, and the column names or formats don't always line up. Maybe one source uses first name and last name, while another uses full name. Or maybe dates are formatted differently. You want everything to match a standard schema, but manually transforming each variation is slow and error-prone. Schema Fit uses AI to bridge the gap. It takes your source dataset and intelligently transforms it to match the structure of a target dataset, no manual mapping or coding required. Start by dragging the Schema Fit tool onto your workflow canvas. Connect your source dataset to the S anchor and your target dataset to the T anchor. The tool will analyze both datasets and determine what transformations are needed to make the source match the target schema. In the configuration panel, you can set a maximum number of transformations. This helps control cost by limiting how many changes the tool will attempt to generate. Choose a lower number for quick testing or higher for more complex transformations. Because the Schema Fit tool is a macro, you'll need to connect the LLM override tool to supply the LLM connection. Click the blue Set up a connection button to link to your Alteryx Analytics Cloud workspace. You can use an existing connection or create a new one using the Data Connection Manager. If this is your first time, click New, fill in the details of your cloud workspace, and establish your credentials. When you click Connect, you'll be prompted to authenticate. Model selection is optional in the LLM override tool. If you don't specify one, the tool defaults to Gemini 2.0 Flash. Note that the default model will change over time as new models become available. If your selected provider doesn't support the default model and you haven't chosen an alternative, the workflow will fail, so make sure to select a model if you choose a provider other than Gemini or Vertex AI. Now run the workflow. To the extent that it's possible, the Schema Fit tool will identify and apply the transformations needed to align the source dataset to your target schema. This results in two outputs. The first is a list of transformation steps, each with a human-readable description and the Python code that was applied to perform that transformation. The second is your transformed dataset. It contains the same data from your source, but now matches the structure of the target schema. A few key reminders before we wrap up. Schema Fit is built as a macro on top of the prompt tool, requiring the LLM override tool to function. This is how the tool connects to an LLM connection created in your workspace. Every transformation is output as clear, editable Python code. That means you can inspect exactly what was applied and reuse those steps later for deterministic, repeatable workflows without needing the LLM again. This gives you full transparency and control. You're not just getting a result, you're getting the logic behind it. That's the Schema Fit tool, your Gen AI-powered solution for adapting datasets to any target format. Try it the next time your columns don't quite line up. In the next video, we'll explore the synthetic input tool, a way to generate realistic sample data using AI.